The number 4 on the list is
the Master Lock Cable Lock is a versatile and reliable security solution designed for safeguarding your valuable belongings. With a primary focus on bike security, measuring 6 feet in length, this robust cable lock offers ample flexibility to secure your bike to various anchor points, such as bike racks, poles, or other fixed structures. The black color of the cable not only gives it a sleek and unobtrusive appearance but also ensures it blends seamlessly with your bike or surroundings. One of the standout features of this cable lock is its user-friendly, set-your-own combination mechanism. This empowers you to choose and customize your unique combination code, enhancing the lock's security by eliminating the need for physical keys. The ability to set your own combination provides convenience and peace of mind, allowing you to easily memorize and alter the code as needed. This feature is particularly valuable for users who prefer not to carry additional keys. Constructed with durability in mind, the Master Lock Cable Lock offers robust protection against theft and tampering. Its strong, high-quality materials and sturdy design make it resistant to cutting, ensuring the safety of your bike or other possessions. This cable lock excels in providing an effective and secure means of safeguarding your belongings, making it an ideal choice for cyclists and individuals seeking a dependable locking solution. Whether you're using it to secure your bike during a quick stop or for extended periods, this cable lock is a valuable asset in your security toolkit.
The number 3 on the list is
the Kryptonite Combo Bike U-Lock is a robust and dependable anti-theft security solution designed to safeguard your bicycle or scooter. This high-quality U-Lock features a 12mm steel shackle, providing substantial strength and durability to deter potential thieves. Its tough steel construction makes it an excellent choice for protecting a wide range of two-wheeled vehicles, including road and mountain bikes. One of the standout features of this U-Lock is its 4-digit resettable combination mechanism. This user-friendly system allows you to set your unique combination, providing you with added convenience and security. You won't need to worry about carrying keys, as the combination lock offers a straightforward way to access your bike or scooter without the hassle of traditional keys. The Kryptonite Combo Bike U-Lock adheres to the standard industry dimensions for U-Locks, ensuring it can easily fit around the frame and wheels of your bicycle or scooter. This snug fit provides a secure anchor point for your valuable equipment, deterring theft attempts. Whether you're commuting in the city or exploring off-road trails, this lock offers peace of mind by safeguarding your ride against potential theft. In summary, the Kryptonite Combo Bike U-Lock is a reliable, versatile, and easy-to-use anti-theft solution for protecting your road or mountain bike, as well as scooters. Its 12mm steel shackle and 4-digit resettable combination lock make it a robust choice for securing your valuable equipment. With a design that adheres to standard U-Lock dimensions, it provides a secure anchor point, ensuring your bike remains safe while you're on the go.
The number 2 on the list is
the Kryptonite Bike U-Lock with braided steel cable is a high-quality security solution designed to protect your bicycle or scooter from theft. This product boasts a robust construction with a 12mm thick shackle made of hardened steel. This shackle is exceptionally durable, making it resistant to tampering and cutting attempts. The added strength ensures your bike remains safe and secure when locked up. to provide additional security and flexibility. The U-lock comes with an 8mm by 4 feet long braided steel cable. This cable allows you to secure both your bike's frame and wheels to a fixed object, making it much more challenging for potential thieves to steal your bike. The inclusion of keys allows you to easily lock and unlock the U-lock and cable, ensuring convenience and peace of mind. This security solution is versatile and suitable for a range of bike types, including road bikes, mountain bikes, and scooters. It offers peace of mind for riders who want to keep their valuable investments safe from theft. The Kryptonite Bike U-lock and steel cable are designed with a sleek black finish, adding an element of style to your bike's security. Overall, this product is a dependable choice for individuals looking to safeguard their bicycles from theft, while enjoying the convenience of a secure locking mechanism.
The number 1 on the list is
the Master Lock Bike Lock Cable is a versatile and reliable security solution for your outdoor equipment, especially designed for bicycles. Its sleek black design not only adds a touch of style but also helps deter potential thieves. This combination bicycle lock provides a convenient and keyless locking mechanism, eliminating the need to carry keys, making it ideal for those who prefer a fuss-free approach to securing their belongings. The sturdy and flexible cable construction of this lock ensures that it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Measuring an appropriate length, it allows you to secure your bicycle to various fixed objects, like bike racks and posts, providing peace of mind when you're out and about. Its durability extends its utility beyond just bikes. It's a reliable cable lock for a wide range of outdoor equipment, such as skateboards, grills, or ladders. The combination feature of this lock allows you to set your own personalized code, enhancing security and ensuring that only those who know the code can unlock it. This means you won't have to worry about losing keys or forgetting them at home. With its ease of use and efficient design, the Master Lock Bike Lock Cable is a practical and effective solution for keeping your outdoor equipment safe and secure, so you can enjoy your outdoor activities without unnecessary concerns. In summary, the Master Lock Bike Lock Cable is a black cable lock designed for securing bicycles and outdoor equipment. Its durable construction and flexibility make it a reliable choice for various applications. The keyless combination feature adds convenience and ensures that you can set a personalized code for added security. With this cable lock, you can enjoy your outdoor adventures with the peace of mind that your belongings are protected.